The most popular dry shampoo for dogs isn't always the best. That's what most people don't realize. You see the same shiny coats in ads, same vet-approved labels, but when you actually use them, the results are totally different. Today, we're cutting through the noise to show you which ones actually work. Product number 1, Arm & Hammer Ultra Fresh Spray. First up, the Arm & Hammer Ultra Fresh Waterless Bath Spray in White Jasmine. At just $9, this one's a budget favorite with over 4,000 sold last month. The jasmine scent is light, not overpowering, and it comes from a brand you already trust for odor control. If you want a quick, affordable refresh between baths without rinsing, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses baking soda, the same stuff in your fridge, to naturally absorb odors instead of just covering them up. That means your dog actually smells cleaner, not just perfumed. The spray nozzle gives even coverage, and 296 ml lasts a while even on larger dogs. It's sulfate-free, so it won't dry out their skin, and it's safe for indoor use. No mess, no water, no stress. Now, some people complained about the scent being too strong at first. Here's the thing though, it fades within minutes into a soft, clean jasmine, and if your dog has really strong odor, a little extra spray is actually helpful. This is perfect for you if you want a trusted, no-fuss solution that actually tackles smell at the source. Skip this one if your dog has extremely sensitive skin or allergies. Baking soda, while natural, can be drying for some. For under $10, it's a solid value. Product number 2, Lillian Ruff Blueberry Foam. Now, if Arm & Hammer's basic formula felt too simple, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Lillian Ruff Waterless No-Rinse Shampoo in Blueberry is priced at $29.54, definitely a step up, but it's packed with extras. It's not just a cleaner, it conditions, detangles, and even helps repel fleas and ticks. Made in the USA with pH-balanced, vegan, and cruelty-free ingredients, it's built for dogs with sensitive or dry skin. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It contains aloe and hydrating essential oils that actually improve coat health over time, not just mask odor. The 16-oz bottle includes a brush, which makes application easier and helps work the product deep into the fur. Now, some people complained about the price being high for a dry shampoo. Here's the thing though, you're getting a multi-use product, shampoo, conditioner, and deodorizer in one. If you're spending $30 on separate products anyway, this saves money long-term. This is perfect for you if your dog has dry, tangled fur or skin sensitivities and you want a premium, all-in-one solution. Skip this one if you just need a quick odor fix and don't care about conditioning. It's pricey up front, but the quality shows. Product number 3, Tropy Clean Hypoallergenic Coconut. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for sensitive pups. The Tropy Clean Hypoallergenic Waterless Shampoo at $16.72 is a standout for dogs with allergies or itchy skin. It's safe for cats too, yes, really, and works on puppies and kittens over 12 weeks. The gentle coconut scent is barely there, which is exactly what you want if your dog reacts to strong fragrances. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It's soap-free, dye-free, and paraben-free, so it won't strip natural oils or cause irritation. The formula uses coconut and oatmeal to moisturize while cleaning, so your dog's coat stays soft, not dry and flaky. It's also super easy to use, spray, massage, done. No rinsing, no mess. Now, some people complain the 7.4 oz bottle runs out fast on larger dogs. Here's the thing though, a little goes a long way, and since it's so gentle, you can use it more frequently without over-drying. This is perfect for you if your dog has allergies, sensitive skin, or shares grooming time with a cat. Skip this one if you want a strong scent or need heavy-duty odor control. It's mild by design. For the price, it's a great balance of safety and effectiveness. Product number 4, Arm & Hammer Kiwi Powder. Now, if the spray formulas felt too wet or left residue, this powder version from Arm & Hammer might be your answer. The Odor Control Dry Shampoo Powder in Kiwi Blossom is only $7.31, $1 of the cheapest on this list, and comes in a 4.2 oz container. It's perfect for quick touch-ups, especially on pups who hate sprays. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The powder form absorbs oil and moisture instantly, leaving fur looking cleaner and feeling fresher without any dampness. The kiwi blossom scent is fruity but not sweet, and like the spray, it uses baking soda to neutralize odors naturally. It's paraben and sulfate-free, so it's safe for regular use. Now, some people complained about the powder getting everywhere on floors, clothes, even your face. Here's the thing though, if you apply it in a well-ventilated area and brush it out thoroughly, the mess is minimal. This is perfect for you if you want a no-spray option for oily coats or dogs scared of nozzles. Skip this one if your dog has respiratory issues. Inhaling fine powder isn't ideal. For under $8, it's a steal for odor control. Product number 5, Mighty Mutt Fresh Breeze Foam. Finally, the Mighty Mutt Hypoallergenic Waterless Foam at $19.29 brings something unique to the table, a foam formula that's ultralight and fast-absorbing. It's made with only 4 natural ingredients, no sulfates, parabens, dyes, or phthalates, and it's biodegradable and cruelty-free. The Fresh Breeze scent is clean and subtle, not floral or fruity. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The foam texture spreads easily without dripping, making it great for anxious dogs or hard-to-reach spots. It's anti-itch and soothing, so it actually helps calm irritated skin while deodorizing. Professionals love it because it leaves coats shiny and soft, not sticky or greasy. Now, some people complained it doesn't lather much, thinking that means it's not working. Here's the thing though, dry shampoos aren't meant to lather like regular shampoo. The foam does its job quietly and effectively. This is perfect for you if you want a clean, natural formula that's gentle on skin and fur. Skip this one if you prefer strong scents or visible cleaning action. It's a premium pick, but the quality speaks for itself. So which one's best? Arm & Hammer Spray wins for budget and odor control, Lillian Ruff for all-in-one luxury, Tropy Clean for sensitive skin, the powder for no-spray convenience, and Mighty Mutt for natural, gentle care. There's no single winner, it depends on your dog's needs. But now you know exactly which one fits yours. If this helped, give it a like and let me know in the comments which dry shampoo your pup loves most.